Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the BetVictor app on any mobile device. In this case I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android. So go to the App Store, or for Android it's the Google Play Store. From there you want to go to the bottom right page, the search page, and actually type in BetVictor. So the first slot comes up as an advertisement. You want to go down to the first organic link, and it's this one, the BetVictor Sports Bets. As it says GET, that means that I've not downloaded this before. That's the button you want to hit. And then it asks you to double click the button on the right hand side of your iPhone device, and then it will confirm your Face ID. From there, make sure that you have a good internet connection so that it actually downloads quite fast. As you can see, the blue ring is going round. That just means it's downloading. And now that the BetVictor app has downloaded, it gives us the option to open the app. So you want to click that button right there. Allow. Ask BetVictor to track your activity across other companies and websites. Allow. Would you like to send notifications? Don't allow. So guys, we can see here, this is the BetVictor app. It has fully installed on this iPhone device right here. You can go to the top right to the sign up button, the green sign up button if you do not have an account, or you can go to log in if you do have your account and start betting on BetVictor. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it has been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.